What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another banger of a video. We got the Civic right here up in front of us, and right here, as you can see, we have a whole new lip for it because right now it looks like it's got no chin. So here, let me go to this side where there's more light. So yeah, I got a new lip. Thank you to my girlfriend who bought it for me for Christmas. This was her Christmas gift. It is a Civic Type R rep lip, and yeah, we're gonna be paint matching it as well in this video. But here, let me show you guys the fitment real quick on it. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. Let me just put it back up. I need both hands. Look. All right, got the lip mocked up. So yeah, this is the lip right here. It's pretty clean. So yeah, we're gonna be paint matching it. I have some I have some paint match right here. It's the same paint coat as the Civic, as you can see. So yeah, we're gonna be painting it. I got some 2K clear over here as well. And I also have a Scotch-Brite over here. Scotch-Brite to scuff it up a little so the paint could stick more better. You want to do this like properly. I think the best way to do it was with the adhesion promoter, the bully stuff. But it's fine for our case. But yeah, enough yapping, let's start scuffing. All right, so let's right here, we're just gonna be scuffing it up. I already scuffed it up a bit right here, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick time-lapse video of me scuffing it up, getting it ready for paint. And after I scuff it up, I'm gonna obviously wipe it down with alcohol or give it a quick wash just to get off all the dust. But yeah, it's gonna look really good on the car. And I did say in the last video that I have some special announcements, and I'll announce it at the end of this video. So if you don't care too much to watch the whole process and just want to see how the lip goes, skip towards like quarter of the end. And then if you just care for the announcement, just skip quarter of the end as well. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on a quick time lapse. Alright, so we got the lift all scuffed up all around. It's got my oily ass finger marks on it. I also did a little bit over here in the back, so when I put the 3M double-sided tape on it, because I want to use double-sided tape and self-tapper screws, probably just right here on the 3M, and then self-tapper right here, one right here, and then 2 on the side, so 6 in total. But yeah, I'm gonna give this a quick rinse and start painting it. So this is the paint booth right here. We're gonna be painting it on this OG paint booth. So yeah, we're gonna be painting it on this. Just gotta wipe it down and everything. And yeah, I'm probably gonna put the the cans in some warm water so it could let it loose a little bit, I guess. But yeah. Alright, so we got it all scuffed up and clean, as you can see. Then I have the cans over here in some warm water, letting it get loose or whatever. But yeah, this is the first video of the year, so hopefully we're starting off with a good banger. But yeah, new year, new look for the Civic, I guess. I got a couple stuff coming in. I just ordered something else last night, and you guys will find out at the end of this video why I'm ordering. Well, you guys will see in the upcoming videos of installs. But yeah, so we're gonna start painting right now. I just need to set up a spot for the camera for the time lapse. But yeah, I'm just letting it kind of warm up a bit in the sun, letting the cans also warm up as well. Then we can start painting that, not this. We could paint the rear quarter though. But yeah, You guys could always just go to your local paint shop and give them your paint code to the where your car is. Mine is like a G82P. That's my, you can see right there, Cypress green. That's my color code. But yeah, just hit up your local paint shop and they'll do it for you right there on the spot. I think in total I paid like $60 for the cans, so it's honestly pretty good deal. It's literally in a can, your paint color. But yeah, I'm gonna set up a little tripod and then start painting, guys. All right, guys, I actually kind of moved it more over here because it's more sunny compared to over there. But I just did a couple coats. Oh damn, just flies on it, but it's coming out good. It obviously looks dull because you know, doesn't have clear. But I'm letting it wait and giving it like a couple more minutes. I'm doing 5 minutes each pass. But yeah, it's coming out good. Here, let me take the tripod off. Yeah, it's starting to come out good. So I'm gonna let it sit for a couple more minutes and then put you guys back on the time lapse. Alright, just laid the let me get this off again. Just laid the final coat. So all we need to do is do a few layers of clear coat and then it should be good. We just gotta let it sit. So I'm letting this sit like 5 minutes between each pass. And yeah, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. It's not gonna be perfect, you know. It's gonna be like it's a little project. If I wanted it perfect, I'd take it to a paint shop. But I do want to get a little learning experience on paint matching or just more painting stuff in general. So I think this is a good learning step, but should be good. All right, so the lip's pretty cooked up now. I gave it like 10 minutes to bake up right here in the sun, so it's time to start doing the clear coat. If you guys haven't used these 2K clear coats, it has this little thing right here on top of the cap, and then has this thing in the bottom. So pretty much you slam it into it, you line it up obviously, and it releases harder into the bottle, and then you start shaking it up. I think you could only use these bottles for like 24 hours or something like that, or else it dries up. Yeah, it's only active for 48 hours. So yeah, once you use it and all that, it's pretty much done. So you got to be careful with what you use these for. Make sure you use it wisely. But yeah, I'm gonna pound it down, shake it up for like a couple minutes, let it soak up a bit more in the sun too, so it could cure up more, and start spraying the clear coat. But yeah, I'll put you guys back on the time lapse, and yeah. First coat of clear. It's laying on pretty damn well. It's nice and glossy. Crazy how it goes from all matte to glossy. We're just gonna do like 2-3 more coats and then call it a day. Just like that, with 4 or 5 coats of paint, it's all painted. And I'm gonna just full send it and put the lip on already. I'm really excited to put it on. It's gonna look way much more better. I think it'll be fine. I don't think I gotta let it cure for the full 24 hours, but I got the Civic all angled up right here towards the grass, so I could have some sun hitting it. Self tappers, I'm gonna do 6 self tappers, 2 over there, 1 right here, and then obviously same on that side. I might do 1 in the middle, straight middle, but we'll see. I'm gonna start putting it on, and yeah, I'm gonna mock it up first and I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, we got the lip all mocked up. Now it's time to put some tail tappers, screw thingy mabobs, and call it a day. Looks so good though. Looks perfect. If only the rest of the car was as fucking the same green, but it's whatever's. So enough yapping. I'm gonna put you guys on the time lapse and put the lip fully on now. Alright guys, here's the final results. So yeah, I should have definitely let the paint cure up a bit. It fucked up over here, like rippled it a bit. Same with over there. Then I kind of rushed on putting the lip on, so over here's I fucked up the fitment. But honestly, I don't care, because it's gonna, you know, it's gonna get fucked up over time. So I don't want to put so much work just for me to be like all upset at the end. It's gonna get all scraped up, but it's whatever's. It looks way much more better now than before. So honestly, it looks good regardless. So it's whatever's. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I did say I had an announcement, and pretty much is that next month, February 2nd. I'm registered for an autocross event with the Civic, so I guess it's my first track day on the channel, my first official one. So it should be cool. I'm excited. This is my first track day back. It's not in an actual track, it's at the Angel Stadium parking lot, so you know, a little way to ease into the whole track stuff. But yeah, I got stuff coming in. I got a whole seat harness coming in. I'm gonna be installing a subframe brace. I would like to get a sway bar, but it won't make it on time, and I don't want to blow the bag too much right now, since I am gonna be cutting my hours at school, I mean at work, since I'll be entering school. So I want to save a little bit, you know. But if I have extra money on the side, I will pick it up. I might also cut up my bumper a little bit more, or just start cutting it up a bit. I've been wanting to do it from like this line, so that's like 2 inches that I'll be cutting off, and you'll be able to see more under. It'll be more exposed just by a little bit. But yeah, that's, hope you guys are excited for that. Those are some pretty good news for me and for the channel, and then for what I'm just trying to do in general. I just want to get comfortable. If you guys don't know what happened to me last year I went to the track event, and I got hit. I spun out on a turn, got hit. Some girl ignored the slow down flag and then slammed into the side. That's why I have it has Bondo right there on the quarter panel, because I got hit. I had some other wheels as well. I had some gram lights, and she center bent the wheel. I could have saved the other 3, but I just wanted a whole new look, as might as well, some fresh new wheels. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Go back outside. The Civic's definitely starting to come back along and look way much more nicer than before. But yeah, it just looks so clean, guys. So yeah, it's gonna get fucked up if I start going to the track more too, all the rock chips and all that. But it's cool, you know, it's cool. I'm with it. Eventually we'll paint the whole car, whole thing. I'll probably paint match the hood maybe, I don't know. But thank you guys for watching, appreciate the support. This is the first video of the year. We're gonna achieve more goals this year, go a bit more harder. We'll see what we do. But yeah, have a good one, guys. Shit, I forgot. Shout out to my girlfriend. She got me the lip. Quick shout out. So if you see this, shout out to you. W girlfriend in the chat. W girlfriend in the chat.